Hey, welcome to Best Tugs. My name's Trevor and you just unboxed your Bravo Series Tug. Let's go ahead and show you how it works. You can see there's no assembly required. So let's go ahead and get it open. On this side, we have our kick and stow handle. By pushing that pin in, you can fold the control handle all the way out to your operating position. Now we have our winch for loading and unloading. Load, our neutral, and our unload positions, and then we come back to our master's power switch, and from there we can control whether we're pushing the plane or pulling the plane backwards. You can see we have our LED light, and if your tug's equipped with it, you'll have your air compressor switch right next to it. Now we have our high and low switch, so if you wanted to go at a low speed or at a high speed, you can do so turning that switch. You'll also note that as much input as you give the throttle is how fast the tug's going to move. So I can go super slow, or if I wanted to speed up, I could do that as well. And coming back full circle here, we have our emergency stop switch. So if you're ever in a bind, then press that switch and the tug will come to immediate halt. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.